In a lush green jungle full of wildflowers, trees, and animals far away, a young explorer called Jayden tiptoed through the trees with his animal guide, Kiki the monkey. "Don't wake the gentle giants," Kiki whispered. Jayden nodded, eyes wide. They saw giraffes nibbling on treetops, elephants spraying water with their trunks, and parrots singing sweet lullabies. But suddenly, a loud tourist group entered, kicking, shouting, littering, and scaring all of the animals in the jungle. "Oh no!" Jayden cried. He ran up to them and requested, "Please be quiet. This is the animals' home." The tourists paused and replied, "We didn't know." Jayden showed the loud tourist group how to move quietly through the jungle. He also showed them how to pick up rubbish from the surrounding ground and help them to clean the jungle. He also showed them how to observe the animals from afar so that the animals wouldn't get scared and run away. Soon, the jungle calmed down again. That night, the gentle giants and the other animals bowed their heads to say thank you to Jayden for keeping the peace in the jungle when the loud tourist group arrived. Also, they thanked Jayden for helping to clean up the jungle. Even the stars shined and twinkled brighter together. Protect and respect nature and all living creatures. Respecting animals and their environment helps preserve the beauty and peace of nature.